আমরা লুভিয়া জনম।
Netaji once said, "No change in history has ever been achieved by discussions."
Victory or defeat is not important, but the fight itself is everything.
Freedom cannot be given, it is taken.
Life loses interest if there is no struggle, if there are no risks to be taken.
Give me blood and I shall give you freedom. The man history calls Netaji, the nation remembers as Desh Nayak, and the time itself salutes as the most fearless patriot India has ever known. Born on 23rd January 1897, Netaji was not made of silence. He was made of fire. While many negotiated freedom with just words, he demanded it with action, courage, and an unbreakable spine. He resigned from the Indian civil services because slavery, even if silent, was never accepted to him. Netaji believed that freedom is not something to be requested for. It is something that must be seized. And so, he gave the nation its loudest call. Give me blood and I shall give you freedom. He formed the Azad Hind Fauj and raised the provisional government for free India. Under his leadership, hope marched in uniform. In 1945, he was believed to have died in a plane crash in Taiwan. Yet, even death couldn't claim certainty over him, because legends don't disappear. They dissolve into mystery and live forever in the questions they leave behind. Today, as we remember him, we must ask ourselves, are we brave enough to think freely, bold enough to stand alone, strong enough to serve without applause? Because Netaji didn't dream of an India built on fear. He dreamed of an India built on discipline, courage, and sacrifice. So on this Netaji Jayanti, as we remember him, let's just not remember his name. Let us remember his courage and sacrifice. Jai Hind and thank you.
ভারতবর্ষ স্বদেশ আমার স্বপ্ন গো, তোমাতে আমরা লুভিয়া জনম। ধন্য হয়েছি ধন্য গো, ধন্য হয়েছি ধন্য গো, ধন্য হয়েছি ধন্য